We're going to this little brunch spot. Yeah, in New Center. So hopefully it's good. People claim that it was real good, so hopefully it's really good. But I'm gonna bring y'all there when we get there. People be staring at me. I do not know why or what they be looking at, but it's so uncomfortable. Like, I just don't get it. Oh, you gotta pay it.
Yeah.
What you going to go do?
I don't know. How long we been?
And I should have had you grab the umbrella. Should have had you grab the umbrella. I could have brought a hat too.
What?
You know what I'm saying? Making sure we can even sit down and eat. Like, what if the wait is just like crazy long or something, you know? And we paying for parking. Oh God. You say what? Okay, y'all, so we are done with our dinner. Well, it wasn't dinner. It was more like brunch, I guess. Yeah, that was good. That place was called Joe Louis Southern Kitchen. And yeah, I had got catfish, fried chicken, and fries. And my husband had got the jambalaya Cajun turkey leg. Good conversation at the table, nice vibe in the restaurant, and good food. They had good music playing too. We are about to head to the mall, and maybe I'll pick something up. I don't know. But we about to go to the mall. I guess every city kind of got like their bougie mall. For us, it's Somerset, so we're going to Somerset. And yeah. Right now we at the store. I done got thirsty as heck, and I didn't pour enough water in my cup. Like, I got a shot of water left. So we're getting something to drink and we're about to roll out. Y'all, it is raining like crazy. Like, out of all weekends when we able to step out babyless, it want to be pouring down rain, and that is so bold. Like, that is just so bold. But it ain't stopping no show. We still gonna step out. Yeah, it's a vibe. It's a vibe.
Prior to unlock bonuses, full terms and wagering requirements. When is the last time you paid less and got more in return? It happens every day if you or loved one has Medicare Advantage. $0 copays and an average of $2,500 less out of pocket annually. But more benefits like dental, here it's majority.org to learn more. Paid for by Medicare Advantage Majority.
We do couple.
Yeah.
Like if you buy it like it's one,
like a bundle.
wife,
Yeah.
600.
Yeah, like a bundle. Yeah.
It's very good. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Might be
Literally would be
discontinued,
church.
They don't make it anymore.
Right.
If it's anything, they don't make it anymore. They put it have on.
Because I got coats I don't even wear. I just, you know what I mean?
Really? Oh.
Yeah, I got the big heavy pellies I don't even wear.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
No, you need mink. You want your wife.
Yeah, I'm getting
Then-
old.
Then you mink.
Yeah.
This is the two-tone color. That's 8,000. Now we put it to 2. Like that.
I'm getting old.
Ooh.
All the men is done. The men is sold out. Just the one out.
Yeah.
I don't know if she liked it.
Brown one nice though. This one nice.
Mm-hmm.
But if she wants, I can get her 850.
What's that? My this one right here?
Yeah.
That's a nice coat.
But I want to get matching coats. I want to get matching coats. And you saying, yeah, I guess we don't step out as much.
Which one? This one? Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't care for that too much.
Yeah, I don't know.
I really don't wear coats like that. You know what I mean?
I know, I guess, yeah, because I was, it'll be Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah.
On the time.
I know it's not that I was talking. Actually, I really don't wear coats like that.
Yeah.
Boy,
It's on Saturday.
I didn't know about that. These are new to my ears. Look, I'm
Yeah, them
Sure,
shawls.
nice.
The shawls.
Yeah, they
Some of
nice.
that shawl.
Yeah, they nice.
Yeah, I like that too.
How much is that? How much is that black one? How much is them shirts? Yeah, they're nice.
1100.
I like that. That's nice.
If she take it home, but if it's a lightweight, it's full price.
Full price, yeah.
Yeah, we have 45 like before Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
Hey y'all, so it's a new day and yeah, today's Sunday. Our last little day of celebrating. Yeah, so we're about to go get something to eat. Then our helicopter ride is later on. And yeah, so I have on a one piece like yesterday, except it's a different color. Have my waist bag. My New Balance piece. Really cute. It's comfy, and you know, I'm probably gonna go to the mall because we're looking for some shoes, and yeah. That's what's going on. I'm gonna bring y'all along like I did yesterday. You need to go to the bathroom? They could go here first because they was here first. Okay.
I'm serious, they should ready to let some flies off and put it in this look. We got games available on the table, boy. You got some time, you got some chicken. What y'all with? They got vegetables all over the shit. You got food. Only mama turn him back. Come on, like joy. Come on. Just Now they get it right now. Versus.
She'll just make another one of these. Like you did. Yeah, I don't like that. What? Yeah.
Oh, look, they got the black. Oh, that's
No, that's different.
I know you were saying that's what it was paying. Paying for this one.
Oh, I forget we could take the stairs. We gotta get on the elevator. right, y'all, so now we're heading to the helicopter. So the place we just well, we just came from a Nike store, but the place we was at before, like for our food and stuff, was one Mike Epps spot. He got a spot here in Detroit, and yeah, that's where we went. So they have like brunch, games, the game, and stuff like that. Yeah, all you can eat buffet, and yeah. So yeah, we didn't stay for the second course. It's a two course setup. You get brunch and then you get lunch. We didn't stay for the lunch because, you know, we got a appointment too, and we needed to go to the Nike store, so we didn't stay for the lunch. But the vibe was pretty dope. The music choice, you know, might not be everybody's cup of tea. That might be the only thing I would say. It did start off like throwback R&B, you know, like 90s R&B, and then it kind of turned into hip hop. But yeah, that's just what that is. You know, sometimes you know, you just can't control that aspect of some things. But yeah, it was a dope spot. The food was actually pretty decent. The price was decent to get in. Yeah, and they played games and stuff. We played Jenga, I showed y'all. We played the cornhole. We did Connect Four. They had Limbo going, and it was like a whole bunch of games. They had trivia and stuff, and you know, yeah, it was a nice vibe. Our older crowd, which is more, that's always my vibe. Yeah, they was having like a spades tournament tonight. They was having karaoke at 5 o'clock, and yeah, like just a lot of things to do. So yeah, pretty dope spot. Yeah, pretty dope that Mike Epps even opened up a joint, and it's right across the street from the Peach Cobbler factory that just opened up not too long ago. But yeah, now we headed to the helicopter. I'll bring y'all along when we get there.
Core Power helps you ride.
Okay, y'all, so we're back from the flight. It was bomb. It was so smooth, way different from what I kind of thought it was going to be. I think I was associating the sound of a helicopter with the feel of riding on one. But it was so smooth. I don't know if that's just how helicopters ride or if that's just the expertise of your pilot, you know. So yeah, it's one of the two. It was so fun. I was grinning from ear to ear like a little kid on Christmas morning, y'all. I was so excited. Like, I was just so excited. It was such like a new experience, just a different experience. That was really dope. He loved the gift ideas too. Like, it was really dope. So yeah, that was really nice. Yeah, we was at an airport. If you couldn't kind of tell, like, that was done like at an airport, like a real airport. yeah, like that was so dope. Like I definitely can see us doing that again and taking a longer flight as well. We did discuss that. So y'all, I think helicopters is probably about to be my new thing. I love that. Just looking at the world from that view, it's beautiful. Like it's beautiful. It's really, really nice. But we just riding around, chilling, talking, listening to music. You know, gotta pick the baby up. In a while. So yeah, y'all, we having a really good time. It's just real chill, good vibe, good energy. Yeah, I'm enjoying myself. So yeah, hope y'all are enjoying the content. I'm trying to we always doing stuff. It's just a matter of if I remember to pick the camera up. But I'm enjoying like adding like we outside type content to the vlogs. Yeah, so I hope y'all are enjoying that and the fact that I'm recording in public and remembering to even bring my camera to capture this stuff. So yeah, I'm appreciating y'all for watching. Yeah, I just appreciate it. Hey y'all, so I'm gonna close y'all out on this vlog. Yeah. The weekend is over. It's Monday now, back to reality, The kids didn't have school today, but I have like mom duty stuff I need to take care of. I got, we got an appointment we gotta be at. I gotta go to the store. I'm not recording none of this, but I just got stuff to do, so I'm gonna just close out this weekend vlog. Yeah. Overall, we had a really, really good time. Yeah, nice anniversary weekend. Right. Well, you was with your mama, so, but I know he had a good time. She said he was A1, which is good, What a time. Like a time was had. It was just like really, really nice. Yeah, let me tell y'all something. One thing about Detroit, we gonna eat here, okay? Like, we have really good food. I've been to places, where I just be like, man, do they have good food? Like every time we go to Atlanta, and this is not to bash nothing. I mean, maybe somebody can throw us some suggestions, but it'd be hard to just find like top tier A1 type food in Atlanta. Like we found like decent enough like type food, but I'm saying for that place to just be like restaurant, just like restaurant heaven almost, like it's so many restaurants in Atlanta, but everything be so overpriced and the food be like mid. Oh, y'all look at him. And the food be mid. But in Detroit, baby, we got good food. We have good food. Our food be good. And I ain't saying that just because, I'm from here, but I'm telling y'all come to Detroit, you're going to eat good. That's one thing for sure. You're going to eat good. But yeah, y'all. Child, I've been talking to this boy for hours. My throat is tired. But we are about to start our day. And I'm going to see y'all in the next weekly vlog. So bye. Tell them peace out. Y'all heard him.